Moi j'essuie les verres au fond du café. J'ai bien trop à faire pour pouvoir rêver.
Hello everyone, this is Hellllooooooo. Today I will do some Kingfisher sketches and I'm gonna use my Winsor & Newton watercolor to paint some of them. I wasn't really into animal sketches or drawing any kind of animals, to be honest, but I got an order from a friend and I kind of forced myself to do it, and I ended up liking it very much. And now half of my time, the times that I'm not drawing any girls or the portraits, I'm doing animals, especially birds drawings. I'm so glad that one of my friends actually ordered it back in a while and I didn't say no, because I was always afraid of doing animals. Probably it's because years ago at school I had some homeworks related to animals and I really hate doing it because I wasn't very good at it, and it just coded in my mind I don't like animal sketches, I don't like drawing in animals, and I didn't even give it a chance till last year, I can say. Well, you can imagine how much I like it. I even bring it to my free time. That's my free time sketch. I do it for pleasure and I enjoy it a lot. I couldn't really decide if I should go for Shaker pen or I should just use my watercolor, so I'm just gonna do both. I could have used my Darwin's actually here. It could be more beautiful, to be honest, than using this pen, but I have a strange relationship with this pen that it's the first thing my hand always goes to. I don't know, if you guys draw, probably you can relate to it. There's mostly one pen or pencil you always want to go for, and this is my go-to one. I was thinking that in couple of months, just because I like it so much, it's gonna get lost. That's what happens whenever you like and appreciate something so much, it just disappear or go in the black hole that you have in the corner of your house where all the single socks and earphones are going into. So I was very afraid to lose it, but luckily I still have it, so I hope I don't jinx it. We will see after a couple of weeks what happens. I'm gonna share some updates on Instagram maybe to make sure that I still have it. It's still with me. Anyway, I'm using some reference photos while I'm drawing. I'm still not very good at drawing from imagination when it comes to animals. I tend to think that they all look like each other, and yeah, as you can understand, that's not true. So I'm quite bad at it. I'm okay with the portraits, like human figures, any kind of anatomic things. Maybe because I draw a lot of live figures back at school, and maybe because I draw a lot of figures back at school and I'm kind of used to it. It's kind of I kind of memorize it. But with the animals, I still need a couple of years to be there, to be able to do it from my imagination. Well, I'm quite into kingfishers, but beside that, I really like to draw some tucanos. Actually, it was my partner, after he saw this kingfisher drawing, he's so into animals and he becomes so excited and he's do me one. I'm okay, I fed up and I did one kingfisher. Then he was again there after a couple months because I spoiled him for once, and I opened the Pandora box and he was can you do me tucano? Can you do me this one? Can you do me that one? And I'm I say no, but deep inside I know that I'm not really capable of saying no, so I eventually ended up doing 5 or 6 different bird drawings just for him. It's kind of savor though, whenever I can't find a gift for him, which is quite hard when it comes to males, I think, to find any gift. At least I struggle a lot, so I always do a drawing whenever there's nothing else to give. It was kind of savor for me. He was incredibly happy, so it was kind of win-win situation. And I want it or not, even I quite hate doing ordered drawings. When someone asks me to draw something, I mostly lose all the envy and the talent somehow. But I'm working as a freelance artist, so it's been years that I'm practicing draw whatever the client asks for. Even I hated it, so it kind of teach me to be able to draw whenever I have to. Still, sometimes some days are better than others. I think, at least for me in my case, I don't have stability. I mean, I don't go so bad, but some days I'm just faster and I'm drawing better than the others. Some days not. But at least I have this base which is quite high now, so I don't really fuck up my drawings, I don't really disappoint myself so badly. I think that's good. That's already good. So it helped me to keep my profession on a professional level. Anyway, I'll let you listen to some music and I'll see you guys by the end of the video, I think. By the way, if you like those kind of videos that I chat non-stop, which I quite like actually, but sometimes I think like this is maybe boring. Let people listen to calming music and watch the painting. So let me know if you're into those kind of chat videos that I do a lot in my Turkish videos, but in English I'm not like quite talkative. If you're into it, let me know. I'm gonna try to do some more. See you. Et voila, here I come to end of this video and this amazing drawings. Sorry, like I have to compliment myself, but I quite like them. I can't decide which one's better, of course. Okay, color one always a bit more charming, but the charcoal ones are also cute. They have their own unique taste, I believe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you're thinking of it. I'll see you guys very soon on the next one. Until that time, take care of yourself. Ciao!
Moi j'essuie les verres au fond du café.